In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to darken a video in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your color grading adjustments happen. Click on your clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. Now look at the lift, gamma, gain wheels on the bottom left. To darken the overall image, drag the gain wheel down to reduce highlights and overall brightness. Then, adjust the gamma wheel to darken the midtones. This helps tone down the exposure without crushing your shadows. You can also reduce the lift slightly to darken the shadows even more if needed. If you want finer control, go to the curve section. Grab the center point of the curve and drag it slightly down. This method darkens the image while preserving detail. Once you're happy with the look, you can press Ctrl D to toggle the color grade on and off to see the before and after. And that's it. Your video is now darker and more balanced.